How to change your Mitrade password. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are using Mitrade and want to change your account's password, first of all open up the Mitrade application and log into your account. Once you're logged in from the home page, go ahead and tap on the Hub button at the bottom right corner, and from the Hub menu, scroll down and click on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Security. Now select the Change Password button under Security and then click Continue. Go ahead and enter your current password first in order to proceed. After you do that, click Next. On the next page, enter your new password you want to change to. Finally, click Confirm. Right after you confirm, you can log in again using your new password if Mitrade signs you out. So that's how you easily change your password in Mitrade. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.